Hello friends, welcome back. Myself Pankaj Kumar Balawat, Assistant Professor EFM. Today we are going to study about money market. In today's lecture, we will cover the following topics: meaning, structure of Indian money market, features of money market, features of developed money market, importance of money market, composition of money market instruments, feature of or deficiencies of Indian money market, and recent development in money market. These all topics will be covered in our today's lecture. Be attentive. It's a very important topic regarding purpose of exam. So let's start from the meaning. A segment of the financial market in which financial instruments with high liquidity and very short maturities are traded. The money market is used by participants as a means for borrowing and lending in the short term from several days to just under a year. So what we understand from money market is that money market is related to short term of period, a market where money is lended or borrowed by the participants for a short period, that may be 1 day, 2 day to 1 year. So money market is related to short term and financial instrument with high liquidity and very short maturity. These main features which belong to money market, these are traded in money market. Now, features of money market. What are the features of money market? Market purely for short term funds. Money market is basically a short term fund market. It has a maturity period of up to 1 year. The assets are easily converted to cash with minimum transaction cost. Transactions take place through phone and there is no formal place. Transaction made without help of brokers. It is not a singly homogeneous market. Features of developed money market: highly organized banking system, presence of a central bank, availability of proper credit instruments, existence of submarket, ample resources, existence of secondary market, demand and supply of funds. These are the main feature of a developed money market. Now we come to importance of money market. Why money market is so important? Development of trade and industry. Money market is very important for development of trade and industry of any country, either it may be developed or developing or undeveloped. All type of countries need money market for development of their trade and industry. Second, development of capital market. Money market is basis for capital market. It is very necessary to develop capital market in the country. Smooth functioning of commercial banks, effective central bank control, formulation of suitable monetary policy, non-inflationary source of finance to government. These all are main points for which money market is important. Composition of money market, how money market is formed, money market, commercial bill market or discount market, acceptance market and treasury bill market. All these make a money market of any country. Now we study all these components in detail. So at first we study about call money market. What is the meaning of call money market? meaning call money is short-term finance repayable on demand with a maturity period of 1 day to 15 days used for interbank transactions. The money that is lent for 1 day in this market is known as call money, and if it exceeds 1 day, it refers to a notice money. So, in this market, if we lend money for 1 day, that will be called call money, and if we lend more than 1 day, that will be notice money. Advantage of call money market: CMM, high liquidity, high profitability, maintenance of statutory liquid reserve, safe and cheap assistance to central bank operations. Drawbacks of call money market: uneven development, lack of integration, volatility in call money rates. Commercial bill market or discount markets: an instrument in writing containing an unconditional order signed by the maker directing a certain person to pay a certain sum of money only to or to the order of a certain person or to the bearer of the instrument. That will be called commercial bill market or discount market. Types of bill: demand and usance bill, no time payment and time payment mentioned. Clean bills and documentary bills, without accompany any document that's clean bill and bill accompanied by documents of title of goods, easy railway receipt, lorry receipt, etc. Inland and foreign bills, drawn payable in India and FB drawn in India payable in or outside India. Export bill and import bills, E-bill drawn exporter or importer outside India and IB drawn importer in India, exporter outside India. Indigenous bill, drawn and accepted according to native customer uses of trade. Accommodation bill and supply bills. Accommodation bill not arise genuine trade. Two parties draw the bill for mutual finance. Accommodation and supply bills drawn by suppliers for the purpose of getting advance from commercial banks. Advantage: liquidity, certainty of payment, ideal investment, simple legal remedy, high and quick yield, central bank control. Drawbacks: absence of bill culture, stamp duty, absence of secondary market, limited foreign trade, attitude of banks. Acceptance market. The acceptance market refer to the market where short-term genuine trade bills are accepted by financial intermediaries. Treasury bill market. It refers to the market where treasury bills are bought and sold. Types: ordinary, issued to public; ad hoc, they are no tender and auction, purchased from Reserve Bank of India, that is RBI. On the basis of period 91, 182 and 364 days, participants RBI and SBI, commercial banks, state government, financial institution, etc. Merits: safety, liquidity, ideal short-term investment, statutory liquidity requirement, source of short-term funds. Demerits: poor yield, absence of competitive bids, absence of active trading. Money market instruments: commercial paper, CP. Commercial paper is an unsecured money market instrument issued in the form of promissory note. Certificate of deposit, CD, are short-term deposit instruments issued by banks and financial institutions to raise large sum of money. Feature of Indian money market. What are the main feature of Indian money market? Existence of unorganized sector, absence of integration, diversity in money rates of interest, seasonal stringency of fund, absence of bill market, no contact with foreign money market, limited instruments, limited secondary market, and limited participants. Recent development in money market: integration of unorganized sector with the organized sector, widening of call money market, introduction of innovative instruments, offering of market rates of interest, promotion of bill culture, entry of money market mutual fund, setting up of credit rating agencies, adoption of suitable monetary policy, establishment of DFHI, setting up of STCI. All these are recent development in money market. Thank you so much.